My name is Kishore Pathak. I got to know about New Roots Hair Clinic through a close friend who had successfully got the hair transplanted here. And looking at the results that he had, I was moved to visit the clinic. And I came with my friend here, got the initial test done, and then saw the fitment of going through the transplantation. And then initial results started showing up. After 3 months, I got a bit scared because I saw that some of the transplanted hair were losing out, but then I was assured that this was something which is expected and it was a good thing. And after getting my first PRP, I saw the spontaneous growth in the hair, and now after 6 months, I got all my hair back. I was pretty happy with the results that I had. And then I took the medication completely, quite honestly, for a year. And these medications are not something that you should be afraid of. These were all like vitamins and all, which is essentially necessary for your hair growth. And now after a year, you can look at my results. I'm pretty happy. And I feel that I look 10 years younger now. So thumbs up to the entire staff, thumbs up to the clinic for this procedure. And I'm pretty happy. I would advise you to go through the same if you are facing the same challenge. Thank you, New Roots.